Can you walk us through why you created this Coda doc and what it's about?
I've written a couple books on decision making and do a lot of consulting in the world. I wrote Thinking in Bets and my latest book, How to Decide. And what the theme of those books are is that every decision that you make is a bet. In other words, you're trying to think about, I have limited resources that I can sink into different options.
Mhm.
And I'm trying to figure out what the best option is to bet on. So you can make a great decision, you can have a bad outcome. You can make a great decision, you can have a good outcome. You can make a bad decision and have a bad outcome. You can make a bad decision and have a good outcome. And you can see that very clearly in poker, which is where a lot of my thinking comes from, since I was previously a world champion poker player, where I can play a hand great and just have a bad turn of the card
Mhm.
and lose because of a bad turn of the card. I can play a hand poorly and I can have a good turn of the card. And if we were to translate that to life, to something really simple, I can go through a green light, I can get in an accident, I can go through a red light. I've created this doc to help do a couple of things. One is try to separate out luck from the quality of your decisions, which is really, really important because we're not very good at that separation between figuring out when did something happen because of luck, when did something happen because of the quality of the decisions that you made. The other thing is to think about how good is my view of the future. In other words, how good of a predictor am I of seeing what the future holds and what could unfold, and how do I increase the quality of the beliefs that I have that are informing those predictions that I'm making about the future, and reduce the influence of cognitive biases and heuristics on my decision making.
That's great. So all of these exercises in this template are all about helping us people helping us predict the future as much as we can, but ultimately making better decisions in the long run. Is that a good assessment?
That is a good assessment because every single decision that you make is a prediction of the future.